Get a coach right now. Get a coach right now. I've seen enough. If the plan was to make these guys in charge of the team for the remainder of the season, scrap it off. Just, it's not going to work. Get a coach as soon as possible. After the international break, I want a new coach. 120 minutes of crap football. Crap football from both teams. Crap officiating. But I don't give a toss about Stellenbosch. I'm all about Kaizer Chiefs in this channel. Absolutely dreadful. 120 minutes, and the only time we came close to scoring was in the first half with that Kanyisa Mayo shot which hit the upright, and second half he had a chance 1v1, but he was a bit slow to reach that ball, and Masuluke came out and closed that angle. That's the only time we came close to scoring. 120 minutes, mate. 120 minutes. Get out. Get out. And who's responsible for making the substitutions? Who's responsible? Tell me. Last game against Amazulu, 75 minutes. 75 minutes played, 0 substitutions. The fans had to shout before they can make substitutions. Today, 75 minutes played. 75 minutes played, we have Pulemod who's giving us absolutely nothing on the pitch. I don't know how this guy manages to play 90 minutes week in, week out, whereas he's failing to beat his men all game, creating 0 chances, just always going backwards, but he's playing week in, week out. 75 minutes played, 0 substitutions. The only sub was made on right on half time. Chabocele in for Nkosingphile Ngcobo, who was poor. Chabocele himself also, I think he was poor. And maybe it's because he's down on confidence. I don't understand why is Chabocele sitting on the bench. I don't understand why is Chabocele starting on the bench. That guy is easily our best midfielder. He's our best midfielder. When has he become a bench player, a rotation player? What are we doing here? 75 minutes, the fans have to shout again before you can make substitutions. Ashley Dupree came in and he looked lively. Why didn't you make that sub early? Fucking hell, mate. Fucking hell. Now we are out of the cup competition. Only one trophy remaining now. It's the Nedbank Cup, which is the hardest trophy to win. Only one trophy remaining. Because we're not winning the league. If you think we're winning the league, then it's you. But I don't think we are winning the league. We are not winning the league. Get a coach right now. Sibongiseni Mthethwa, by the way, easily our best player on the pitch today. Easily our best player on the pitch. Off the ball, incredible. His work rate, tackling, ball recovery, interception was top class. But then again, the amount of time the guy loses position is insane for a defensive midfielder. It's insane. But I understand why he plays week in, week out. Off the ball is magnificent. But Stellenbosch get a red card. Yeah, they get a red card with like 15 minutes to play. Why don't you take the risk? Take the risk. Put Chabocele as the number 6. Take off Sibongiseni Mthethwa. Bring in someone creative. Bring in an Ethan Chislett. When is he going to play? Bring him in. Let's see. Let's see what he can give us. Bring him in. Take off Mthethwa. It's fine. Chabocele can play as a number 6. These men are posing 0 threat. Stellenbosch posed 0 threat in this game. 0 threat. And I see men trying to bring in Bruce Vuma for the penalty shootout. Nigga, what are you doing? What's men trying to do? Man, I've seen Bruce Vuma against the Motsepe Foundation Championship side going opposite direction of all penalties. What are we doing? Big up to Ntwari for standing up for himself and saying, I'm not going out. And to be honest, he did his job. He saved one, and Morris crap penalty. Dylan Solomon's crap penalty. Although the officiating was very, very terrible. That lineman is standing there with his flag, seeing nothing. Both these goalkeepers were going off the line before penalties were taken. No team deserves to win here. No team deserves to win. But at the end of the day, only one team can win, could win. Only one team. And it was Stellenbosch. What an absolute waste of time. 120 minutes wasted. 2 hours. 2 hours, mate. 2 hours I was on TV watching Kaizer Chiefs. Sponsing Church was the man of the match, by the way. Well deserved. We are out. Only one trophy remaining right now. Absolutely disappointing, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.